I'm out here packing up. There's something over here. Not sure if it's a deer or a mountain lion, but I saw its tail wagging. So I'm hiking about 5.3 miles that way to Ostrander Lake, and this is what I'm taking with me. I have my shelter. I'm sleeping in my hammock, hammock. Got my 2 straps, waterproof tarp. My hands are like shaking. I've been drinking so much coffee this morning. Went to Yosemite Valley. Oh, I'm ready to go. There was like a traffic jam on the way. I probably just scared that mountain lion away. Shit. I wanted him to come. Anyway, I have mosquito spray, beer for the road, just one, because I want to pack light. I'm going to open it just in a second and drink it. Maybe it'll calm me down a little bit. I have this filled with like pancake mix. This is my bear protector thingy canister. And I got this filled all the way up with food. I also have this food that I'm taking with me. I have coffee, Pete's Coffee, same exact brand that I just drank in Yosemite Valley. Ron Clay's mom gave it to me, shout out. Also, I have this. Ron Clay's mom gave that to me too. Actually, no, I got that from Sprouts. Take that back. Minute Maid rice. Shout out Tyler Broadway. Coffee maker, AeroPress. Get on Amazon. Good shit. You can make coffee anywhere and everywhere. This little pot boils really fast. Little cup/pot. Also, I want to invest in a copper one. I know it's probably not necessary, but it's more conductive, boils faster. Found 2 bananas in my car. Gonna eat them on the way. Got my cast iron. I know it's heavy, but it's the best cooking thing. I'm not taking any gas with me. I'm gonna use purely fires to cook food. This is my water container, which is, I got super lucky with this because I forgot this is in my car and I came up here with no water. However, I did have an empty gallon of water, and I'm camping near a lake, so I can always boil water if I run out. Do not have a water filter with me. Left that at home. A fork. That's essential. And probably won't use this. I normally use these as hot hands. This is a towel in case I need it. This is an actual hot hand. It's nice to have. So here's the final product. It is heavy as shit. Probably approaching 70, 80 pounds. I did not prepare well for this trip. I'm using like a super big sleeping bag, cast iron, taking my own water, So I'm packing heavy as hell, but once I get there, it'll be nice. And it'll be dinner time too. I'll be hungry by the time I get out there. I'm about to finish this beer, go throw it in the trash can over there, and head out. Woo! Little under halfway there. Yeah, I'm exhausted. The bag's heavy as shit. My arms are tingling. Whew. Oh, what would you do? What would you do for canned food? For cast iron? For an obscene amount of fishing gear? Check it out. Might take one more break, and then I'll be at the campsite. I smell the water. Finally made it to the lake. Long day. My traps are on fire. Sun's about to set. I didn't have much sunlight left. It's not going to take long to set up camp. Alright. Like I said, I'm not freaking out because I'm pretty confident that I can start this. Even though I've never done it before, pretty damn confident because I'm pretty damn hungry and I'm pretty damn thirsty and I'm out of water and I need to boil it. So see how this goes. It's gonna be a long process. Alcohol pad. Whew, baby. Thank you. Woo! I'm lazy when it comes to fires, y'all. I do not like adding wood every couple minutes. My hammock probably set up between those two trees. I might just kick that one down and use it as firewood. It's already dead. Both of them are dead, actually. That one's not. But yeah, hopefully catch some fish and get some dinner tonight. If not, I got tons of food. Way too much food. Killed me. That hike was no joke. No joke. I stopped like 7 times. So I've had a pretty productive morning this far. Battery's about to die. I don't know if I can get the GoPro going or not, so this might be my last video. This is London Bridge, and I don't know much of the history behind it or why it's called London Bridge, so I'm sure someone could tell me, but it's pretty. Went to Goodwill today, did pretty good on books. I probably got close to 1,000 profit, only spent 150 bucks, and all those books are at least $5 profit. You know, multiply that times whatever, you know. There's a couple $100 profit books, which is unheard of. That's unreal. And it's because this town, Lake Havasu City, has never had anyone like me come in it before. Nashville's oversaturated with people like me. I run into scanners all the time. We have stare downs.